How to make typewriter animation in PowerPoint. Sure, here are the steps on how to make a typewriter animation in PowerPoint. 1. Open PowerPoint and create a new presentation. 2. On the slide, type the text that you want to animate. 3. Select the text that you want to animate. 4. On the Animations tab, click the Add Animation button. 5. In the menu that appears, select Appear. 6. Click the Animation Pane button. 7. In the Animation pane, click the arrow next to the Appear animation. 8. In the menu that appears, select Effect Options. 9. In the Effect Options dialog box, click the Text Animation tab. 10. In the Animate Text section, select by letter. 11. In the seconds delay between letters box, type the amount of time that you want to delay between each letter. 12. Click OK. 13. To preview the animation, click the play button in the animation pane. 14. If you're satisfied with the animation, you can click the slideshow button to start your presentation. Here are some additional tips for making a typewriter animation in PowerPoint. Asterisk, you can change the sound that is played when each letter appears by clicking the sound list arrow in the Effect Options dialog box. Asterisk, you can also change the speed at which the text appears by changing the value in the seconds delay between letters box. Asterisk, if you want to animate multiple lines of text, you can select each line of text and then add the Appear animation to each line. Asterisk, you can also use the typewriter animation to animate text that is already on a slide. To do this, select the text that you want to animate and then follow the steps above.